Hey guys, so yesterday I just uploaded a video and it's about my car. I'm having it fixed over a Jeep. Was it yesterday or the other day? I think it was the other day. I couldn't keep track of time now. But yeah, my Jeep is back from diagnostics from Jeep, and the problem is the turbo is not working. So turbo, damn it. No wonder I'm trying to accelerate and I'm not able to like overtake a car, or like whenever I'm in a stoplight, I have the times wherein I struggle in moving. So yeah, I had to check with the Jeep, and they quote me for a turbo, for the heat plate and everything. So it's gonna cost me around 4,500. That's a lot of money. Good thing this car is still under warranty from the dealer, so the dealer's gonna pay for it. They're gonna take it from me Monday, gonna give me a car, and they're gonna try to fix it. I'm gonna miss my red Jeep for a while, but I hope it's gonna be back, and it's gonna be much better than it is. Yeah. So yeah, as well, I was a bit wondering why some power is not coming in. So it's the turbo is not working. It's faulty turbo. That's what Jeep said, and yeah, hope that will fix everything. And some engine lights that's coming out, which is the start stop, which I don't use. I don't use start stop. Like when you go in a traffic light, you press the brake and the car stops. And when you remove your hands off the brake, the car starts. It's annoying. It's gonna try to keep on starting until the starter motor is gonna kill itself. I don't want to do that. But yeah, it doesn't save me anything at all. It just cuts the engine. But I prefer the engine to be on. That way, it's all heated and it's all moving and it's all doing its thing. But yeah. So, yeah, I haven't have anything in mind right now. Yeah, tomorrow I'm gonna be shooting a live stream, so hopefully it's gonna be good. That's all I have today. So I don't know. I just hope everything will be all right in the next few days, and yeah, because there's a lot of gigs and I have a lot of traveling to do, and my red steed is gonna be like my good buddy for in the next few days. But other than that, that's it. But anyway, yeah, that's it. Okay, I have nothing else to say. This is awkward. Goodbye, guys. See you next time. Bye. Oh, wait. I can upload after this. You can watch the video after. That was my last drive with the RAV4. I drove it to Carolina Springs, and that was the last trip I had. That was the 3rd of November, I reckon. But yeah, I might upload it after this. It's a long upload, so it might take some time. But either way, that's it. Goodbye, guys. 3 minutes on the clock. No, 6 more seconds still. Whatever. See ya.